1967 Washington quarter dollar. What if I told you that the coin you are holding in your hand is not just a normal quarter, but a silent witness of American history and a hidden long-term asset? The 1967 Washington quarter dollar looks ordinary at first glance, but behind its simple appearance lies a powerful story of economic change, national identity, and collector value. Millions of people have spent this coin without ever realizing that it represents one of the most important transition periods in United States coinage. This is exactly why smart collectors and investors never ignore a 1967 quarter. The first major benefit of the 1967 Washington quarter is its historical importance. This coin was minted during a critical era when the United States removed silver from circulating coins due to rising metal prices and economic pressure. The 1967 quarter belongs to the post-silver transition period, making it a key marker in American monetary history. Coins from such transition years always attract attention because they represent change, scarcity of old materials, and the beginning of a new era. History-based demand is one of the strongest drivers of long-term coin value. Another powerful benefit of this coin is its iconic design and symbolism. On the front, the portrait of George Washington represents leadership, freedom, and the foundation of the nation. The word liberty and the phrase "in God we trust" are not just text. They reflect the values and beliefs of the United States. On the reverse side, the eagle with spread wings symbolizes strength, protection, and authority. Collectors value coins like this not only for money, but for the story and symbolism engraved into metal. From an investment perspective, the 1967 Washington quarter offers an important advantage: accessibility with growth potential. Unlike extremely rare coins that require high capital, this quarter allows beginners to enter the world of coin collecting with low risk. Coins that are affordable yet historically strong often perform well over time because demand keeps increasing as more people enter the hobby. As circulated coins disappear and well-preserved examples become harder to find, prices naturally move upward. Condition plays a major role in the benefits of this coin. While many 1967 quarters exist, only a small percentage survive in excellent or near-mint condition. Coins with sharp details, clean surfaces, and original texture are already becoming more desirable in the collector market. This creates a condition-based rarity that most people fail to notice. A single difference in condition can mean a big difference in value, making careful preservation extremely important. One of the most overlooked benefits of the 1967 quarter is its long-term stability. Unlike modern trends or speculative assets, historically significant coins grow slowly but steadily. The Washington quarter series is one of the most collected coin series in the world, and any coin within this. Many people dismiss the 1967 Washington quarter by saying it is not rare, but this belief is one of the biggest misunderstandings in coin collecting. True rarity is not decided only by how many coins were minted. It is defined by how many high-quality examples survive today. Millions of 1967 quarters entered circulation, but decades of use have worn them down, damaged them, or removed them from collections. Coins that remain in strong, original condition are far fewer than most people realize, creating a hidden form of scarcity that serious collectors understand very well. One of the most valuable hidden benefits of the 1967 quarter is its connection to special mint sets, SMS. Between 1965 and 1967, the U.S. Mint temporarily stopped producing traditional proof coins and replaced them with special mint sets. 1967 quarter from an SMS has sharper details, smoother surfaces, and a more refined strike compared to normal circulation coins. These coins are significantly more desirable and can command much higher prices in the collector market. Many owners do not even realize they possess an SMS coin, which is why careful inspection is critical. Market demand is another powerful factor working in favor of the 1967 Washington quarter. The Washington quarter series is one of the most widely collected coin series in the world. Because collectors often aim to complete full date sets, every year in the series maintains consistent demand. The year 1967 is especially important because it sits right after the end of the silver era. making it a symbolic divider between old and modern U.S. coinage. This historical positioning keeps the coin relevant and desirable across generations of collectors. Another overlooked benefit is the error coin potential associated with 1967 quarters. During high-speed production years, minting errors such as off-center strikes, weak strikes, die cracks, and doubled details occurred. Error coins are highly sought after because they are naturally limited and cannot be reproduced. A single error can transform a common coin into a premium collectible. For this reason, knowledgeable collectors always examine 1967 quarters closely rather than dismissing them at face value. Condition originality is a major secret among experienced collectors. Cleaning a 1967 quarter may make it look shiny, but it can permanently destroy its collector value. Original surfaces, natural toning, and untouched texture are far more valuable than artificial shine. Collectors consistently pay higher prices for coins that show honest age, rather than altered appearance. Preserving a coin exactly as it is can be the difference between a normal piece and a desirable collectible. From a long-term perspective, the 1967 Washington quarter is often described as a slow-growth asset. It does not offer overnight profits, but it provides stability and steady appreciation over time. As older coins disappear from circulation and new collectors enter the market, demand stead.